Hi, Nick Nello's here. We're talking about the Slayer series today on how to operate it. To start the engine, you turn the key switch to here. Have this set on high throttle at the rabbit. This is your choke. You turn the choke like that. You turn the key switch to on and press that button down. That button bypasses overrides the switch that is low pressure, shut-off switch, in case your pump doesn't build pressure. So then once you get the engine started, you turn that choke back down to there, and you'll be running at full throttle and you're good to go. These need to be in the open position before you start it, like that. And this one should be like this if you're going to single wand. This is your water pressure, and you can adjust it right here. Turn it up or down. You turn it to the left for less pressure, turn it to the right for more pressure. Come up here. You'll see this lock nut right here. You need to lock that down with a pair of pliers after you set your pressure with that, so this piece doesn't back off and you lose the guts. This is your pump clutch switch. No, this is your switch to your pump out. When you turn that on, the pump out's ready to go. When the water reaches full, it pushes the water out of here. You hook it to a garden hose. You can dump it wherever you want, down a clean out, whatever. This is your water in, where you hook your garden hose to, or your inlet water, and it'll run to the water pump. This is your fuel filter. You need to change that once every 6 months. This is your water. This is your oil. To change your oil, you undo this plug, put a bucket there, and it captures the oil. This is your oil filter. Make sure you use Kohler oil filters for as long as you can. It makes it easier under warranty. This is your pump clutch. If you don't want to be running the pump, you turn it to the off position, and then your pump doesn't come on, and that's to turn your water pump on. This is your kerosene burner. To turn your kerosene burner on, you push it up like that. This is off, that's on. Then you set your temperature at 250 degrees, 220 degrees, 190 degrees, and it'll come on. This is your temperature switch that if it gets too hot, it'll hit here and kill the motor. This is your thermostat for your heat exchanger. I like to set it at about 225 degrees, which is about right there. And if the water gets too hot there, then it'll kick in the bypass to the waste tank through the DEMA solenoid. If you're going to do a water damage, you close this completely, you open that, and you turn your pump clutch off, and now you're in water damage mode, and turn your auto pump out on. This is your chemical injection. If you want to run chemical, you open that up. There's a little hose back there you put in your chemical bucket. And when you're pulling the trigger on the wand, the needle will rise up to about 2 gallons. And if you don't want to use it, just make sure it's turned off like that. Please change your engine oil once every 50 hours. It'll extend the life of the engine and make things run better. This is your kerosene or diesel. You fill it up right here. This is where your vacuum hose goes to, and this is where your dump hose goes to dump the dirty water. Thank you and have a nice day.